Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. So we can use about polar coordinates. So I will put about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta. So we have x squared plus y squared equals to r squared cosine theta squared plus r squared sine theta squared. So we have r squared and r squared. We can do about factorization. This one we got about r squared. So the next one, dy dx, we need to change for r dr d theta. Next, we go to the bounds in here. So we need to draw the diagram. This one is about y, so we have y equals to the square root of 1 minus s squared. So we put the square for the both sides. And we put this one go to the left. And we see that this is about the circle. At the center 0, 0 with the radius is about number 1. So we have number 1. This one is about negative number 1. If we look on the bounds, we see that dy they start from 0 to the square root of 1 minus s squared. That means in this area in here, they start from s from negative number 1 to positive number 1. That means the area of the region that should be in here. Next, we need to change the double integrals. This one we change for r squared. So we have the square root of r squared. Dy dx we change for r dr d theta. About dr, that's about the radius of the circle. We start from 0 to number 1. D theta, we start in this point in here and they go to here. So this is about b, a half of the circle. So we start from 0 to b. Now, square root of r squared, we have r. We multiply by r, you got about r squared. The integration of r squared, we have r to the power of 3 over 3. And we have the power from 0 to 1. We put number 1 going here, number 0 going here. And we have 1 over 3. And we have the final answer. And that's about b over 3.